Mary, take video.
No, I'm holding it.
Come on. No. It's bouncy in the car. Very bouncy. Moving on.
I think it's a smart move. Are you recording?
Yes.
I think that was.
We'll race that.
No, I refuse.
That probably look hard, especially if it's got sound.
It does have sound. A bad sound. That would stink if it didn't have sound.
Yeah, well, I'm hoping it's
Riding in the van.
Really, Joy, really?
Yes, Joy, yes.
Hey, Joy! I know you.
Well.
It says times, it says 10x right there.
that means
10x.
That means it's how many times I can kill you.
Oh my god. I have 10 lives.
I thought you
I
had
have
more
to-
I
ways.
don't know how that's possible.
Yeah, but he only has 10 lives.
I have more lives than a cat.
Ha ha ha.
Oh.
Hey, I'm a cat.
So
I've done got rid of more than 10 lives,
me.
so we have more than 9, trust me.
Unless I already lost a life.
This is a discussion only for the faint of heart. Wait a minute, what?
How many lives do you think I've gone through?
20,000? Wait, that was like a random number. 20 million. There we go, that one's more accurate.
That's all I can say.
Yeah, she's meaning me.
Did she flip you off?
I am very
Yes.
mean.
Wow.
Yes.
Don't do
Don't
that.
flip people off. That's just stupid.
Izzy, you look
Funny.
pretty.
I mean, you can't be funny and flip people off.
I laughed. Okay, I laughed.
Because Evan flips me sometimes. And I was like, that's just you're stupid. If you flip someone off, you just make yourself look stupid.
I laughed. Okay, I laughed.
Yeah, but she told you to go to hell.
Middle finger means fuck you. No, it means fuck you. No, it means fuck you. He's always been here for me.
There are 2 different definitions because I've heard go to hell too.
I've always heard F you.
Go to hell's worse.
It is.
Yeah.
Izzy's so mean. Flower me.
Took him to the emergency room, and by the time
Shut up, Adam. Just shut up, please.
so they didn't do anything.
You don't want to be around
To his regular doctor anymore, but she said
The only person I'm gonna be taking pictures of is John.
like 149 I think I'd be thinking
John loves taking pictures.
blood pressure was up.
Does he not, is he? John will pose for me. He's not a douche.
I get that habit. I don't like lying to me.
Car. Yeah. Vroom. Vroom, 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 vroom. Vroom, 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 vroom. It goes fast. Vroom.
It looks like a bear.
Sounds like Dr. Eggman.
What looks like Dr. Eggman?
Nothing, we're talking about stuff.
Well, pissy.
I think it looks like a bear. No, an anteater.
I can't see it.
Oh, yes it does.
It's a cloud. Look at the cloud. Look at the trees. They're going fast. Vroom. Vroom, 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 vroom. Vroom, 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 vroom,
That
vroom,
one
vroom,
looks
vroom.
like an
What, did
alligator.
Terry say anything? Man, I hate that I didn't bring my other phone. That was stupid, Joy. That was stupid. What is wrong with you?
Or United States.
Stupid, Joy. Stupid. You're stupid, Joy. You're stupid.